In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email notification settings in Wrike. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you only receive the emails that are really useful to you, and not every single update that hits your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and you're looking at your main workspace. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your photo or your initials in it. Go ahead and move your mouse to that profile icon and click on it. This icon is your gateway to personal settings and account preferences, so it's where you'll start anytime you want to adjust how Wrike behaves for you as an individual user. When you click the profile icon, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This might also be called Profile Settings in some layouts, but it will clearly mention Settings. Click on Settings. This will open a new page or panel dedicated to your personal account configuration. On the Settings page, you'll see several tabs or sections related to your account, such as your profile information and possibly security or language options. What you're looking for here is the Email Preferences section. Find Email Preferences in the navigation on this page and click it. This is where Wrike groups everything related to what kinds of emails you receive and how often you receive them. Once you're in the Email Preferences area, you'll see different controls and options that let you tailor your notifications. To access the detailed controls, go to the section called Notification Settings. Click on Notification Settings to open it. Here you can review the types of email notifications Wrike sends you, such as updates on tasks, mentions, project changes, or daily digests. Take a moment to read through each option and decide whether it's something you actually need in your inbox. If you're getting overwhelmed by emails, you can turn off non-essential categories and keep only the ones that help you stay on top of your work. After adjusting your notification settings, make sure any changes are saved if a Save button appears. Once that's done, you can close the settings and continue working, confident that your Wrike emails will